Winter weather makes it tricky to dry clothes without using the dryer, which our wallets do not enjoy. I'm going to grab my RYOBI tools and build a wall-mounted drying rack for our laundry. Of course, I don't want an eyesore, so it'll be a nice feature using Tasmanian oak. First up, I cut the backing piece to size using the RYOBI 1 Plus circular saw. Then, using the 1 Plus miter saw, I cut the side pieces for the back, the frame and dowel pieces for the rack. I grabbed my 1 Plus hammer drill to make holes for the dowel, then its best friend, the 1 Plus impact driver, and started assembly. To mount the rack, make sure you use the RYOBI 15-meter green cross line laser and universal laser pole to get the rack perfectly level on the wall. Again, grab the two best friends to screw the rack into the studs. The final step is to use the 1 Plus caulking gun to finish everything off. I would recommend cleaning up the mess with the 1 Plus 11-litre wet and dry project vac, which is amazing for projects in small spaces. That's it! How good does it look? A stylish addition to the laundry and another place to dry our clothes when the weather outside is gloomy.